tried baking or trying to bake? So I just wanted to know if it's gotten you around to cook.
Well, I'm not. I have to be honest. I have not tried anything different, but I'm getting like a lot of things to do with my son now. I'm learning what all he does because sometimes what happens, he there are a lot of things which he does which I don't even know. So now I'm watching all that and doing that.
What has surprised you the most about your son in these times that you probably didn't realize he does or he says?
Well, I don't know how many of you know, like there was Ramayan going on DD National. So he was
Yeah.
watching each and every show, and now he knows each and every character of Ramayan at the age of 3. And if he asks you a question regarding Ramayan and deliberately you answer it wrong, so what he does, he'll correct you. And he's like, no, it's not like that. This is the one which character played this one.
That is amazing, yeah. That's quite awesome,
Which is
Piyush.
actually, I was also surprised to see his knowledge about everyone. Like he knows Ram has got 4 brothers, and then all that mother, all that Ravan के जो भाईचारा है,
हाँ,
कुमकुम. He knows
हाँ.
everything now.
वानर सेना सब कुछ मतलब बहुत सारे
He knows
कॉम्पोनेंट.
everything, everything. All the main characters, he knows everything now. So, which is like quite surprising for me. Looking at him as 3-year-old kid. Yes,
Yeah. Who's his favorite character?
Lakshman.
Interesting.
Yeah, everyone has that, Ram, but he has this
हाँ.
Lakshman. Reason being because now he understands. So for him, the most, what do you call, the difficult character to be killed was Meghnad. So Lakshman killed Meghnad, so that's why Lakshman is his favorite.
That is amazing. People, I mean, it's
Yeah,
nice. Kids का ऐसा होता है मतलब they already have like heroes from the time they're kids, and for them their fathers are heroes, and this also forms like a nice like a base for
definitely. It's like really good. Like this quarantine has done few good things as well. एक तो मैं गोरा हो गया हूँ घर में
हाँ
रह
बहुत
रहकर.
मतलब टैंक सब निकल गया पूरा.
घर में रह के गोरा हो गया, फिट भी लग रहा हूँ, अपने आप को फील कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि कुछ नहीं है तो वैसे आई एम वेरी लेजी टू वर्क आउट बट नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इज व्हेन आई एम एट होम सो आई वाज लाइक यार क्या करो, चल थोड़ा वर्कआउट ही कर लो.
Very nice. Of course, Piyush, when we announced that today we're going to have this conversation with you, a lot of people were very excited because obviously, many reasons. You've always had been a good performer on IPL. And obviously, forget Team India for a bit. You've been a great performer when it comes to IPL. And also, a lot of people were interested to see you in yellow because that's not a
Yeah,
color that you ever wore.
yeah.
Um, were you also, were you also kind of eagerly looking forward to that aspect, like a yellow jersey that you never ever worn?
Yeah, definitely. When the day the auction happened and I got to know like I have been picked by CSK because last time also I was picked by CSK for yellow, but I went to KKR because of that right to match card.
Huh.
So when this time finally I came to CSK, so I was really looking forward to wear yellow. And when I was at the camp also, I was really enjoying it. Like in fact, each and every moment of that camp also, I just loved it, and I was very excited. I was up for it, but unfortunately, all this happened. So it's okay. Hi,
Uh,
Steban.
yeah, I was just figuring out if any of your friends are coming in, but Piyush, you spoke about how, of course, it's interesting in the camp because you played with almost a lot of these guys before, for the Indian team, especially someone like, let's say, Suresh Raina. In fact, a fan and actually even asked this question. We all know about the bond that you share with him. He's spoken about it, you've spoken about it. लेकिन अभी पूछती है कि or पूछता है, I'm not too sure. Avi asks any funny incident that you can narrate about Raina during your hostel days.
Ah, there are quite a lot, but can't really reveal it here because when all boys are together, so those incidents are not to be revealed on the public platform, to be honest.
No,
But
but
yeah,
something like,
but but we share a very good bond because right from the under 16 days we played together, under 16, under 19, and he always helped me like a big brother, and he's always there to support, and which is wonderful because when a senior player is there, he never behaves as like a senior. He always makes sure that you're playing as a team, as a brother, and it's always brilliant. When
Yeah.
somebody like him is around, it's brilliant because the atmosphere of the team automatically becomes really positive, because if you see the way he enjoys each other's others success, which was brilliant.
Hmm.
So
But how are those? But how were those days earlier to have things changed at all, Piyush? Actually, that's another thing that I want to ask you because you've played with a lot of these guys in the Indian team outfit, so for a while, and then now in an IPL franchise. Kya wo change kabhi? I mean, is there a change in the way that setup is, for example?
well, it was like a reunion because Bhajjupa,
Hmm.
Mai Bhai, Rana Bhai, then Jaddu, everyone is around. So it's like, things are looking quite nostalgic because you all played together once, then you dispersed, like I was out of the team, and then you dispersed, and then again back in the same team, we're gonna wear the same jersey. So that will be wonderful.
Yeah. Um, what I wanted to ask you was, did you expect, when we go back to the auction, क्या आपको लग रहा था कि they will go for you again? And did you expect this? Were you told? How was that whole? Uh,
For, well, to be very honest, looking at the CSK, our team lineup,
hmm,
I was not expecting it because already had so many quality spinners
yeah,
like Imran Bhai, Jaddu,
Santner.
Bajjupa. So there were so many. So obviously, I was not very sure, to be very honest. But once they started going, and I saw, and in fact, in the morning, Ranawai told me that we'll be going for you in the auction. So I was like, okay, but I was just thinking at back of my mind कि यार already इतने spinners हैं, so कैसे? But finally when I
प्यार,
saw it,
प्यार, प्यार.
मोहब्बत बहुत जरूरी चीज है.
No, that's quite cool. Actually, yeah. There was a lot of these images that did the rounds or during the nets also. And one, of course, image stuck, which also, you also ended up putting that on your Insta page. And there was a lot of reaction. Fans loved it. Is when you, Raina, MS were in the nets and you guys took turns, of course, range hitting. And that kind of stayed. Tell us about that. Tell us about those moments during the nets.
Which one that when we were hitting sixes in the net?
Oh, range hitting is there, huh?
Yeah. So well, मैं बैटिंग करता हूँ, बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं है क्योंकि if you see my first class record, I've got almost 6,000 runs. So somebody batting at number 8, तो लोगों को कई बार जिनको पता नहीं है उनके लिए it comes as a surprise. Rana bhai obviously knows from the beginning that I bat, and my bhai also knows a bit, but the people who doesn't know much that I can bat as well. So for them it was surprise. So when we were batting, so my bhai was like, they were hitting every ball. So he said, "You are not allowed to defend the ball. You have to hit each and every ball out of the park." I said, "I can't hit like you, obviously." He said, "No, try at least." मैंने कहा, "See, when there's a situation in a match, so आप batting कर रहे हो, so I don't have to try to hit. I have to take a single and give it to you. So I'm gonna do that."
So, yeah, go on. Sorry, I wasn't interrupting. Go on.
Yeah, so he was like, "I know single तो तू ले लेगा, पर मारना पड़ेगा." मैंने कहा, "अच्छा ठीक है, करने दो." क्योंकि उसमें नेट्स में ऐसा हो रहा था कि if you try to hit and you get out, so obviously you have to change. So I can't hit every ball out of the park because for them even the miss time was going. For me, I
Ah,
have to middle it properly to throw it out of the park.
yeah. No, that was fun to watch. But I've always been curious to ask. I mean, we all obviously ask, match ke dauran, when you guys are batting out in the wicket, what are the conversations that you guys have? I mean, we always are curious when we've asked this before. But during the nets, when you guys are there, what conversations do you talk about? When it's obviously not about certain things regarding the sport, what is it that you talk about otherwise?
Well, to be honest, sometimes when you bowl in the nets, so it's just not that you're bowling just to bowl. There is always some purpose behind it. When you go to the net, when you try to practice something, so you go with some purpose. So suppose if I'm bowling, and from last 3 years in IPL, I'm bowling most of the time in the power plays. So I was
Correct.
talking to my bhai. So I was talking to my boy, like, what exactly you think, what I can do in the power play. So he gives those ideas as a captain behind the stumps with so much of experience. So it's always nice to share. So like when he was also batting,
Hmm.
so he's somebody who likes to go straight, who doesn't hit sweep that much.
Yeah.
So he was like, you just make sure that you cover my area and
Hmm.
force me to play something else which I'm not used, which I'm not very happy to play.
Hmm.
So it's always important when you go to the net, there is not a big conversation. Even in the match, there is never a big conversation.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
just like hardly exchange of one or two lines. But
Hmm.
those one or two lines make a big difference. Because if I told him, okay, if you are batting, because obviously my by the number what he bats at, he will never come in the power plays.
Yeah.
When he's batting, so but still I try because sometimes you never know there is a batter who loves to bat in the power play and he hits and I'm
Hmm.
bowling. So who will be somebody like my boy who can hit a long ball and then
Yeah.
play spinners well. So
Yeah.
I can prepare myself accordingly.
Yeah, we saw you and MS actually chatting quite a bit during that time, and and like you're saying, Piyush, काफी उतनी conversations नहीं होती है, match में भी काफी conversations नहीं होती है, and this is what in generally I kind of hear also. But is that how MS normally is as well? Is he a man of few words when it comes to being in match situation?
Yeah, definitely. He's some like he gives you a freedom as a bowler.
Hmm.
He'll be like what you think you can do at the moment. So
Hmm.
if he thinks if he can add something to it and gets better, so he'll just suggest you like let's do this. The result will be better. So even in the practice match which I was playing, so
Hmm.
I've
Hmm.
played so much against CSK. Obviously, when I was playing the
Of course. I think अटक गया है 1 minute. Not able to. हाँ, continue. Sorry.
yeah, so in practice match, what exactly happened? Like it's a small, like very small incident, but very important one.
Hmm.
So Renabai bats at number 3, and I bowl
Hmm.
most of the time in power plays when I was playing for the other
Yeah.
franchise.
Yeah.
So most of the time, I used to end up bowling one or two over to him.
Hmm.
So I always used to have a different field. So when he came into bat, I was putting that field again. So my boy was
Hmm.
like, "Don't put this one," and he told me to get somebody up and put the other long off back and stuff.
You
And
got him
second
out
ball,
too.
he got out.
Yeah, I remember. You got him out twice, I think.
Yeah, but that was like in power play. Second ball, he got
Yeah.
out.
Yeah.
So this is something like very small thing, like small words and small discussion, but makes a huge impact.
Wow, that's nice. And I like what he said actually about how he gives freedom because we know कि बहुत सारे bowlers के साथ he doesn't necessarily do that, especially the younger ones. But of course, he knows you for a while. So I guess with you there is a little more freedom. Have there been situations though, Piyush, ki he's lost his cool or something and he has said things, or has there been such situation that you've seen? If it not for you, you've seen or witnessed.
I have not seen him much doing that, to be very honest. But once or twice, like what happens when you just, he suggests you something because I've not seen him that like on live during the live game. I've not seen that on TV. Obviously, I've seen it a couple of times now. But live games, because if I'm bowling
Hmm.
and if he suggests something, so I know he must have thought something about it.
Hmm.
And this, I'll tell you, during the World Cup 2011, I was bowling,
Hmm.
and I still remember I was having a short fine leg for Jonathan Trott.
Hmm.
And Jonathan Trott plays spinners really well, and he plays lap and stuff. So he said, let's do one thing, remove the short fine leg and get it to square leg.
Hmm.
So I just said, square leg, my boy, I don't think so. There's a use. He said, just try. I said,
Just try,
okay.
huh?
And in that over, he got out.
Yeah.
So then he told me that it was just to play on his mind. It has nothing to do with your bowling, nothing, because he thought that place is empty, he can play short. And by the time he realized, he got LBW to me. Yeah, so that's
Uh,
how it is. That's the experience.
yeah, and actually, I enjoy seeing the conversation also that you have because you also have a very casual way of thinking. आप भी उतने you're not overly aggressive kinds. You're a very calm way of dealing things, so that also kind of plays really well when you're having conversations with someone like MS. But speaking of KKR and CSK, Piyush, what's the one thing that you think you're going to miss about not being part of KKR?
Well, to be very honest, it was a very good setup there as well. And
Yeah.
I really enjoyed my 6 years there. And most of the things there were like good, to be very honest. And I'm definitely, you can't say I'm gonna miss like that, like yeah, I'm missing KKR, and I'm
But
very
एक
happy
चीज
to.
क्या है? It could be a person, it could be a thing, it could be anything that you will miss.
We used to have like lot of like late night sessions sitting in the team room. So that doesn't, I don't think so. It's gonna happen here that much. So that will obviously.
What's the one thing that you will not miss about being a part of KKR? ये तो
I
बताना
can't
पड़ेगा.
say. I can't say it here, and I think you got it.
I know. We'll leave it at that.
Yeah.
What's the one thing you're looking forward to for in CSK?
Definitely bowling at Chepauk wicket, because right from the first year, if you see when I was playing for Punjab for the first 6 years, the wicket was like flat.
Yeah.
मतलब 4 में 40 तो अच्छी bowling होती थी वहाँ पे. So when I was picked up by KKR, so first year the pitch was spinning and everything. So I was really enjoying. Next year, that relay thing and stuff happened on Eden pitch. So उसके बाद फिर वहाँ भी flat. वहाँ तो फिर 220 भी safe नहीं होता था. अब उसके बाद चेन्नई आया हूँ तो यहाँ का wicket I know it always helps the spinner because the wicket becomes dry because of the conditions and stuff, and the ground is very big. Eden wicket is like Eden pitch ground is like even the miss time goes for 6, and because of the wicket as well. But in Chepauk, even you have to, if you want to hit out of the ground, you have to play a really good shot. So that I'm really looking forward to.
Of course, and everyone knows it. A lot of people know this about you. You spent a lot of time in Chennai also. It's not something that's unfamiliar in some ways. I mean, I know CSK के लिए आप नए हो सकते हो, but you're not a new.
To the city,
yeah, you're not new to the city. So, any nice fond memories that you have from the city from your earlier days, Piyush?
Well, it's been 13 years. I'm with Chemplast now, and honestly speaking, that really improved my cricket also, because before the season you really want to play some good cricket, you want to have some good practice. So I always used to come to play the league matches, and it always helped me. The reason being, when you play a team like against India Cements and MRF, they all have quality players. So as a bowler or as a player, you want to play against a quality side, so that you also know that how you are, prepared for the coming season. And the fond memory, if you ask me, so it's one from that league only. We were playing at Chepauk, India Cements versus Chemplast. So obviously I was for Chemplast. And the last day of the match, they required some 200 runs with 9 wickets in hand.
Okay.
So we were having a discussion. So me, Monk, and coach and director of Chemplast. So he asked me, "What do you think?" I was like, "Don't worry, I'll win you the game." I just said it. And out of those 9 wickets, I end up taking 7 in the finals. So that is something I really cherish, because it has nothing to do with its IPL or for India or for Ranji Trophy or state or corporate. As long as it's cricket, it's a game of cricket.
Absolutely right. Fair enough. Actually, someone gave a very interesting little, not a stat, but a kind of a figure also early today, is that the first no ball that you bowled for in IPL was after 8 years of
9
seasons.
years. In the 9th season, yes.
In the 9th season, yeah.
Yeah.
How do you manage to not do that for so long?
Honestly speaking, free hit has played a big role in that.
So मतलब extra yards, जो भी extra yards होता है वो उस पे चला जाता है.
Yeah, actually, what happens as a bowler, if you ask me practically,
Yeah.
when I bowl a lot of no balls in 4-day cricket in a longer format, because I know even if I bowl a no ball, if it happens, because after 10, 12 overs, you get tired and you tend to push little more and you end up stretching your leg.
Yeah.
But if you bowl a no ball, there is no free hit next ball.